Impero's admin toolbar offers a variety of computer management tools, which are particularly useful for IT technicians. These tools are similar to what you might find on Windows, such as Task Manager, Command Prompt, and Event Viewer. To access these tools, open the Impero console and click on the Admin tab. The computer management tools will be displayed just below the Admin tab icon. The Task Manager tool allows you to view the processor usage of selected computers, end tasks, and start or stop Windows services. Firstly, you need to select the machines that you want to apply the policy to. Then click on Task Manager to open the Task Manager window. The left-hand panel will display the machines you have selected and the CPU that those machines are running. Clicking on one of these machines will show you the processes that are currently running on the workstation and which specific processes are taking up the most CPU. The lower panel shows you the service display names and the services that are currently running or stopped. You have the option to stop or start a specific service by right-clicking on it. You are also able to view all processes for all computers and tick the ones that you want to stop or start en masse. The same process applies for all services for all computers. Command Prompt works in exactly the same way as it does in Windows, but it will also allow you to use the Command From policy on multiple workstations. Firstly, select the workstations you want to run commands on. If you want to run a command like gpupdate to update the group policy objects on the workstations, you can write a command which will then run on each client. As you can see, we have run the command, and feedback for the group policy object is now displayed in the window. The Event Viewer tool allows you to view the latest 500 entries of each event category on selected machines. Selecting a workstation will bring up the event logs for that computer. By default, the viewer will open on the Applications log, which will be displayed in date order. There are further events tabs for Security, System, and Errors from All Computers. The Errors from All Computers tab will display any errors that have been generated from the selected computers. This allows you to pinpoint any errors and carry out remote support from the Impero console, rather than going to each machine manually.